Welcome everybody, Eugene Hughes Motorized. Alright, fine folks at Coospo asked me to do a video review of their cool little bicycle tire inflator. Battery powered. Let's zoom out here. Okay. Here's the box that it came in. This is the AP-B1. This cool little gizmo will fit in your pocket here. Inside the box you get an extension tube which will fit onto your Schrader valve on a standard bicycle tire, and you get two adapters. Now the adapters you can either fit into the tube here, giving you a little extra reach, or you can screw it right into the bottom of this here and use it like this here and press it directly onto your tube and inflate it. You get the needle for inflating your sports balls. You get the USB-C charging adapter. Charges up in about 50 minutes from being completely discharged, and you get a little carrying bag for it here. You turn it on, you long hold the power button, and then to lower the pressure, I've got it set at 85. You press the middle button, press and hold it. Brought it all the way down to 71. Press and hold it. Bring it up to 90. The book says it goes up to 120. There are instructions included that come with it. Let's check it out. I'll show you how it works. Alright, so let's get out my handy dandy. Now this is optional here. I recommend you keep one with your tire inflation tool, and I'm going to show you why here. Not that you want to let all the air out of your tires, but if you're doing a test of something, you might want to do that. So that's what we're doing here. Let's go ahead and take all the air out using my optional valve core tool. Remove the valve core there, put it back in there, and I tightened it up. I may have tightened it up a little bit much, and here's why. Turn it on and it shut off. Didn't put any air in the tire. Let's do it again. Nope. Try it again. Maybe I had my thumb wrong. Nope. Alright, this time it's going to be a challenge. And it didn't work. Problem was the adapter on the hose wasn't fully pressing down on the pin. I loosened the pin on the valve core, loosened the valve core just a little bit there, and we got it working there. We're cooking with butter, okay? So get one of those little valve core tools. I'll leave a link down below. And here we go. Took about a minute. I'm not going to make you listen to that thing run for a full minute. But once it reached 40 psi, it shut off. Now let's go and test it in the real world. Once I figured out how to get this valve core thing straightened up and know that I'm putting air in. Not going to make you listen for a full minute. It took about a minute to get it to 40 psi and it shut off. This thing worked flawlessly now that I know what I'm doing here, okay? I'm a tire inflation expert. We got the front tire. Yep, took about a minute. We got it up to 40 psi and it shut off magically. Let's give it a challenge. This is my little road bike here, and these tires need 90 psi. And it's got the Presta valve, so we're putting on the red Presta valve adapter. We're using the extension hose there. You loosen up the little doohickey on the end of the Presta valve. You press down the hose with the adapter on it, and we're starting at about 20-something psi in the tire. We're going to set for 90. And it took about a minute and a half, and then at 90 psi, shut off just like it's supposed to. Now, this is the fourth inflation with this tool here. And I got it up to about 78, and I figured that's good enough here. And works like a charm. I give this thing here a thumbs up. Got a link down below if you're interested in buying one. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.